Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try these cheesy Russian cutlets, which is a easy yet delicious recipe stuffed with some potatoes, boneless chicken and some veggies with lot of cheese. So let's get started. First we need to cook the boneless chicken with some garlic paste, ginger paste, some pepper, salt and some water. Mix it nicely, cover it and cook till all the water is evaporated. Now our chicken is ready. Now you need to grind this chicken in a blender. Now take the grinded chicken into a large bowl. Add some boiled and mashed potatoes. Make sure it doesn't have any large pieces of potatoes, so mash it nicely. Then add in some grated carrots, some chopped capsicum, some grated cheese, some coriander leaves, green chilies, and mix this nicely. So enough salt is there in the cooked chicken, so just check and add more if needed. Mix everything really well, then take small portions and start shaping it. You can give round or even oval shape for your cutlets. After shaping all the cutlets, in a bowl take 2 eggs, beat it nicely, and then in another bowl take some roasted vermicelli. You can use the thin vermicelli which is available in the market, and take each cutlets, dip it in egg and coat it with this vermicelli. Repeat the same with all the cutlets. Once all the cutlets are ready, you can keep this in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes just before frying. Or you can store this in an airtight container in the freezer for 3 to 4 days. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry all the cutlets. Keep the flame on medium. And once it turns into this golden shade, take it out from the oil. Now our yummy and cheesy Russian cutlets are ready. You can serve it with some tomato ketchup or some mayo. It has a nice crispy vermicelli coating outside with cheesy chicken filling inside. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Do check it out. Thank you.